Hello, my name is Ivana Bogdanović. I'm an actress and producer from Serbia, the country that brought the word vampire to the world. In the next few minutes, I want to tell you a story about folk fiction and lesser-known mythical creatures. For centuries, Serbian population believed in specific form of post-mortal existence, which has directly influenced the origin of vampire belief. However, the existence has different shapes within different stories. One of these creatures is Naprata, an ancient water demon. Naprata is summoned by witches to destroy someone or something, and you can't stop it until it finished its mission. Naprata was the first movie project that my creative team and I did it last year. It is also one of the first found footage from Serbia. But this is not the only mythical creature which you can't escape or destroy. There are many, and one of them is the topic of our next movie. We will try, as in our previous movie, to introduce to the world another, completely new and so far unknown movie monster. It is particularly interesting that this supernatural being has never been a topic of any horror movie. It is interesting that Serbian cinematography never dealt with creatures who are the part of our traditional folk fiction. We are one stepping stone away from screening another story about Serbian mythological being, unknown not only to the world, but to most Serbs as well. Be a part of our project by supporting it. Hear one scary story from our region and find out why the word vampire is connected with Serbs and how it came to the world straight from here. Greetings and see you at premiere!